YouTube.com/C-duBb. You dig? MySpace.com/C-duB204. Yo, this video I'm about to show y'all, I was hot. I'm for real, I was really hot. Check it out. Shut up! Why it's so hot, man? Mama! Turn the air on! Mom, why it's so hot?
It's daytime. We live in the Inland Empire. It's hot as hell all the time out here. I don't know.
Oh, always gotta be sarcastic. I'm just saying.
You better watch it.
Why it's so hot though? I can't write lyrics in this blazing heat.
Because that's the way God wanted it. I don't know. What do you want me to do about it?
I turn the air on?
No. No, you can't. I'm a single mother around here. Paying all these bills by myself. No.
It's so hot.
What you want me to say, Chandler?
Who will turn the air on?
Go on ahead, turn the air on for a minute.
You know you hot. Act like you ain't hot.
You don't want to sweat?
Hot in this piece.
You make sure all the windows are closed?
Oh, my bad.
Don't just be sitting there and not going to close the windows. I said close the windows and turn the air on for a minute.
Close the window, turn the air for a minute. Hey, close the window, turn the air for a minute. Close the window, turn the air for a minute. Close the window, turn the air for a minute. Close the window, turn the air for a minute. Hey! Thank you, Mom, for letting me turn the air on.
Yeah. Turned it off expeditiously.
Man, I'm about to die, man. I can't breathe. Turn the heat. Cut the heat on.
Ever wonder what the world would be without air conditioning?
Thank you. Hot in this joint.
Did you close all the windows?
Oh.
Make sure you close all the windows, Chandler. I said close the windows, turn the air on for a minute.
Oh, man.
Thank you. It's hot in this piece.
You make sure all the windows closed?
Oh, I forgot.
Why are you still sitting around? Make sure you close all the windows. Close the windows.
Oh, the window was already closed. Dang.